friend. Today we are going to learn bird. Parrot. This is a parrot. Can you say parrot? Peacock. This is a peacock. Can you say peacock? Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Can you say sparrow? Crow. This is a crow. Can you say crow? Eagle. This is an eagle. Can you say eagle? Owl. This is an owl. Can you say owl? Duck. This is a duck. Can you say duck? Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Can you say pigeon? Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Can you say flamingo? Penguin. This is a penguin. Can you say penguin? Bye bye friend. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory.